Okay, the urogenital papillae sits above the anus and it is the flap right here. The umbilical cord on the outside is right here and it was connected to right here. The tongue is right here. The hard palate is in the roof of the mouth that has ridges on it. Right below that is the soft palate, and it is a lot smoother. The epiglottis sits right here below the soft palate and has a small opening. The pharynx is right here. It sits above the larynx, a little ridge. The larynx is the bulb sitting right above the trachea. The esophagus is right here. Oh, you're good. It sits right behind the trachea. The trachea is right here. Has ridges on it. The bronchi are behind the heart and right below, or behind the lungs. It's where the trachea break and a bronchi goes to each lung. The lungs are right here. There's the pig's right one and the pig's left lung. The heart is right here. And the diaphragm sits right here. And here's the other part of it, and that aids in breathing. The liver is all of this. The gallbladder sits right behind it, this green sac. The stomach sits right below the liver. It's right here. The duodenum or duodenum is the first part that comes first part of the small intestine. It comes straight off of the stomach. The small intestine starts with the duodenum and does all of this. The large intestine is all right here. It's much more coiled and larger and thicker than the small intestine. The pancreas sits below the stomach. It is right here. The spleen is on the side of the stomach, right here. The rectum is the green tube, right here. The kidneys, there's one on either side, one right here, and one right here. The urinary bladder sits right here. The ureter, one comes off each kidney, but here's one of them. And this is a male pig, so here we go. The male penis is right here. And the testes, there's two of them. There is a bulb of one right there, and the bulb of another right here. And now I'm going to cut the stomach out and cut it open to feel the insides. Alright, so I've cut the stomach out, and now I'm just going to make a little incision. And this is all of the insides. It was just a lot of the fluid, not much since the pig was not ever able to eat anything, and there was a little bit, well, that was from where it was cut. And the small intestines, This is all of them. It's just, I can try and I'm going to try and stretch them out for you on the video. All right, there's the large intestine. Well, at the moment, this is as much as they will stretch out. That's the base of all of it right here. And that concludes the video.